Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Quizlet Live in the classroom. First, navigate to your desired Quizlet study set. Look for the Live button, typically found among the activity options. Click this button to begin setting up your game. You'll then choose between the Teams mode, which is highly recommended for collaboration, or the individual mode. This initial step is quick and straightforward, taking less than 1 minute. After selecting your study set, you'll need to make a couple of key choices. First, decide if students will be answering with the term or the definition. This choice impacts how questions are presented. Next, confirm your game mode: Teams for collaborative learning or individual for a more competitive experience. For optimal engagement, Teams mode is often preferred, allowing students to work together to find the correct answer. Once the game is launched, a unique 6-digit code will appear on your screen. Instruct your students to go to Quizlet, live on any web-enabled device, such as a phone, tablet, or computer. They will then enter this 6-digit code and their name. Quizlet Live automatically assigns students to teams, typically with 3 to 5 members per team, fostering immediate collaboration. During gameplay, each team works together to answer questions. A term or definition appears on the main screen, and students must find the matching answer on one of their team members' devices. Only one student on each team will have the correct option. If a team answers incorrectly, their progress resets to 0, adding an exciting challenge. The first team to correctly answer 12 questions wins the round.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.